Hi, what's up guys? Today, I will be showing you how to create a digistore account without wasting any time. Let's get started. First of all, go to the digistore24.com, and for your convenience, I will put the link in my description, and once you are on the website, the page will look like this. Now, all you need to do is click on this Start Now button or the Sign Up button. And now click on it. For sign up as, select Vendor and Affiliate. Now put your username, and in my case, I will simply put my name. And this is your affiliate link looks like. Put your email address and write the same again. Put your passwords and write the same again. Select your time zone, and for me, it is automatically set to itself. Select your title and put your first name and last name, and you can leave this field as it is not required. Put your address including zip code and house number or street number and also the state. Last and foremost, put your phone number and click the checkbox and click on Register for free now. Now we have successfully created our account, but we need to verify, so open your email and verify. After clicking on link, we will be redirected to this web page, and we need to put our password, so put the password and we are done. You need to verify your phone number before we start promoting, so to do that, click on link and verify. You will receive code and verify. After we verified, we need to set our payout account for withdraw the money, so to set up, first hover your mouse on the top, which says account, and on the last second, click on the payout account. We will be redirected to this page, and we need to set our payout method. You can set up with bank transfer, but for me I will select PayPal because it is easy. But the one thing is that if you choose the PayPal, you need $1 to verify the PayPal account. For me it is okay. Now we have completely created our affiliate account, so it's time to promote the product. In order to promote the product, all we need to do is head over to the marketplace, and just over it you will see some option, and we need to click on all offers on the affiliate marketplace, and that's it. As you can see, all the product is showing. So to get the affiliate link, we need to click on the promote button, and here is our link. But make sure you check it is legit one by click on the right icon, and it will redirect it to the page. So yeah, that's it. I hope this video found helpful. Please do like and subscribe, that will really appreciate it.